This program is not intended to replace professional legal advice or representation. If you have a legal concern, you are strongly encouraged to seek the advice of an attorney.
Hi, I'm Yanique Otto, an attorney at law in South Florida with the Otto Law Group. Thanks for joining us for this episode of Now You Know the Law. You've just left the office and you're on your way home. You've been thinking about her all day and you just can't wait to tell her that you love her and you're eager to see her tonight. You know she's in a meeting so she can't talk right now. So you decide to send her a text instead. You're busy texting away and right before you hit the send button, you hear sirens and you're being pulled over by the cops. The officer tells you you've broken the law because texting while driving is illegal in Florida. And you're like, no way, that's crazy. I've never heard of such a thing. And I've been texting and driving my whole life. Well, here's what you need to know. As of October 1st, 2013, it is in fact illegal to text and drive in Florida. However, it is a secondary offense, which means the officer can't stop you initially for doing only that. But if you're stopped for another reason and you were texting while driving, it can be tacked on. This means that the cop has to pull you over first for a primary offense, such as speeding, improper lane change, or running a red light. Then he can add the secondary offense of texting while driving. Also, the law only applies while your car is actually in motion. So you can text, Facebook, tweet, as long as you're not moving. For example, if you're stuck in traffic or at a red light. And here's another thing, the fine or the ticket, only $30. Interestingly enough, the seatbelt law started out exactly the same way as a secondary offense, but later, as you know, click it or ticket, it's now a primary offense. My guess is the texting while driving law will end up being a primary offense as well, but for now it's only secondary. So unless the cop pulls you over for something other than texting, he isn't legally able to give you a ticket for that. Oh, and by the way, you are under no obligation to turn over your cell phone to the officer so that he can verify whether you were in fact texting. I'm just saying. I'm Yanique Otto. Thanks for joining us. And now you know the law.
Now You Know the Law is brought to you by the Otto Law Group. If you have a legal question, give us a call. We'll either help you with the matter or put you in touch with someone who can. To have your questions answered in one of our episodes, you may submit them via our Facebook page at facebook.com/Otto Law Group. The Otto Law Group, providing legal solutions.